Abot ni Mother, the size sa itaas.
Down. Yeah, may camera kahit saan. Tama rin, no? Oh.
Pero sa kwarto ng mga pasyente, bawal, di ba?
Oh, bawal sa privacy. Alam mo yung mga Amerikano eh.
Pero ngayon,
Morning. I requested to move downstairs. I'm from 217.
217, right? When are you back here? Do you know what time?
Maybe by 1 o'clock.
Perfect. I'll have a room ready for you then.
Downstairs.
Yes.
No? Thank you very
Yes,
much,
of
ma'am.
course.
Thank you very much. So we have to be back at 1 o'clock. Yeah, we have to be back. Kaya from hospital, we have to go back here. Tapos from here to Walmart. Di makakapagkwentuhan tayo mamaya. O, tatawag na ba tayo? Are we ready?
yeah.
Oh, yun pala.
Paano pagtawag sa